phlegm.
Beautiful.
Belly bug, mate. Don't like get my boobs. That was so garbage.
No!
Imagine like if you made an indent on your head like what to do, mate? Break happy.
No pictures, please.
It's not pictures, it's recording.
Keep recording.
You're fine. Yeah, I am!
The fuck?
That's like so disgusting!
My voice is going really weird.
Release the seagulls! Don't pill on me! Shouting at him. Go away! See that way, just shout at him. He like drunk like, oh yeah.
I just fell over. Oh great.
Wee! Bye, bitches!
Different!
It's like, wee!
That was an amazing joke, actually. You were like, wow!
She took my 3 kids! I hate you!
When will we not? Ride that horsey. So she does, she's peeing.
I'm not tall off, it's okay.
Oh no!
What's playing that thing where you run around and spin and then run to a line or something?
What?
You know what you were doing outside P room? Like,
No, I'm just randomly holding my phone like this. Yeah. Stop burping. The camera does not like it. Camera does not approve.
right, Rachel, we have to spin round 10 times then
I
run.
don't think so, I'll be sick.
Hey.
What, are you trying to run in a straight line?
It's not that difficult, is it?
It is, if you look up,
I can try that.
Right, I'll record you then.
Record me. Fabulous.
Oh wait, hold my biscuit sleeve.
Right, you gotta have your arms out. Spin and look up. Look up. Arms out.
I want someone to fall over, please.
That's so funny.
She's running in a straight line.
That's really hard.
How did she do that?
Hey, that's what she said. Yo, he's so camera shy. He's like,
Hey.
hey, you guys, look at me. I'm dead.
Rude.
What?
I'm
Bitch
Miranda.
disgraceful.
I'm Miranda.
What are you doing? It's going on the channel. Oh, we've not posted anything in ages, so we need to post this. Well, posting of the. He's being a frog. Can't zoom in. Pigs. Let's go join the crew.
Yeah, I can lick my elbow. Look at an elbow.
Can you lick your elbow?
No.
Neither can I.
No.
It's going on Facebook.
No.
Oh,
Going
God.
on the channel. What's that? The RantingBabezz channel. We haven't posted in
Oh
like
my
years.
God.
We need something to post.
On what?
The channel which you're not on.
What channel?
The YouTube channel.
Which one that bloody car?
RantingBabezz.
Oh yeah, I hacked into that once, just saying.
That's nice.
I got told the password and I wasn't logged in.
Oh, password?
Zoom in on this skillage. I don't remember.
Subscribe to my channel and like a load of videos.
Piece of shit.
Oh.
Oh my god, did you see Joe's video?
No.
He made a new account, he's put one video on it. It's like, he's like, this is disgraceful. Haribo, they called it a jelly bean. What?
It still tastes good anyway. Hey bitches, this is the swag factors.
Rachel, behind you.
That was not me.
On with the fish.
That wasn't me.
No!
Skill.
Here's your hands.
What are you doing?
The cup song with her feet.
Pretty
That's not
sexy.
with a cup song then, is
Well,
it?
the feet
It's
song
more with
now.
the body song.
The feet song.
And I will always
Having a moment.
Yeah.
Biscuit,
No, mine.
give me it now. Give me a biscuit!
No, that
I want
would
a
be my
biscuit.
hair, I'll beat you.
I just want one. That's fine. I'll have 3. I can't.
Yeah, but what are you doing?
Haha! I can't go get called carrying biscuit. Ngania! Hey. How a biscuit?
I look like I want a bit.
Yeah.
Don't you dare throw that at me. My phone's stuck down my bra.
Biscuit in a minute, bitch.
I like biscuits.
Oh, it's been on the floor.
You idiot.
Oh shit.
Don't hit me.
Cookie. Ow!
Lol.
Fuck you.